Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back with me, Ryan Zulfadli. So, this video, I wanna make IT tutorial. The themes or the title, explanation about AGRP filtering AD or administrative distance, and then how to configuration it. Okay, now enter the explanation. Another filtering method is to change the AD or administrative distance value of a route to 255, or we can call it unreachable. For example, if we want router 3 as loopback IP address to no longer appear in router 2 and router 1 is routing table, we can set its administrative distance to 255. AGRP engines Inter Gateway Routing Protocol default to an administrative distance or AD of 94 internally learned routes or routes originating from AGRP within the same autonomous system or AES. Route filtering using AD is a technique that doesn't directly block AGRP route advertisements, but influence the router's decision to install the route in its routing table or advertise it to other protocols. Okay, now we are still using the previous lab to configure AGRP filtering AD. Okay, now next to configuration, you first should open Cisco, not Cisco, Pinet Lab. Yeah. Then now I am enter the router view, then enable configure terminal, and then before that you should delete previous filtering configuration on router 2. And then the first things you show run section access list. Okay, this already. Then the command is access no access is 1 permit 0.0.0.1 0.0.1 255 255 255.254. Okay, next, and then router AGRP 10, and then no distribute list 1 in interface to router 3. This my interface Ethernet 0/1. Okay, now we are gonna do show IP route. Do show IP route on router 2. Okay, and then is the first condition before filtering. As you can see, the IP loopback of router 3 is still already on router 2 from the routing table, as you can see. Okay, and then next, configure it AD point, the biggest AD point, the true that is 255 on network 3.3.3.0, and then now we type access list 1 permit 0.0 sorry 3.3.3.0 0.0.0.0 sorry 03.255, and then enter router AGRP 10, and then we're gonna advertise distance 255 space 0.0.0.0, and then 255, 255, 255, 255, space 1. Okay, comment 3.3.3.0 space 0.0.0.255. It means from IP address 3.3.3 into IP address 3.3.3 255 will change a digit will 255. Yeah, it's mean like unreachable. Now we're gonna check on router 2. It is to show IP route. As you can see, the IP loopback from router 1 that are 1.1.1 is no longer in the routing table from router 2. Okay, and then now we are gonna do show IP route on router 1. Do show IP route. Yes, the IP loopback is not in the table. Sorry, do show IP route 2.2.2.2. Yes, not in the table. And then now we're gonna do ping IP loopback 2.2.2.2. Yeah, it's like timeout. Okay, maybe it's all for my configuration and my video AJRP filtering with AD. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.